Ever found yourself stuck on the wrong camera during an Ome chat, making you look like you're broadcasting from another dimension? Let's get you controlling your camera view on Ome in just a few simple steps. First, let's find your browser settings. They usually live up in the right-hand corner of any browser. The icon typically takes the form of 3 dots or 3 lines. Once you've found your browser settings, whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or another browser, look for a section labeled Settings. Click to open that window. Within the Settings menu, you're going to need to look for the Privacy and Security section. Once you've clicked on the Privacy and Security tab, find Camera Permissions. It may also appear as Site Settings followed by Camera. A list of your connected cameras should pop up. Simply click the drop-down menu and select the desired camera from the list. Still stuck on the wrong view? If Ome isn't detecting your camera, double-check that your camera drivers are up to date. Also, be sure that another application isn't currently using the camera. Finally, a quick privacy tip: if you're not comfortable being seen, use a physical camera cover or simply disconnect the camera when not in use to ensure absolute privacy. And that's it. You're now in control of your Ome camera. Enjoy chatting and stay safe out there.